No.
This cat got me f***ed up. I swear to God.
Tell your cat I said.
Ще один охотник. Що ти знайшов? О, вона його укусила!
Aku ni bukan apa, tapi aku tak kata bukan.
Perdón. ¿Estás haciendo baños de vapor? There it is.
Oh.
Look, see? It's alright. It's all good.
What? You like it? The f is this with your broke ass? What?
He lost his voice.
Il en met du temps.
Il est là, hop là.
Bah il est où?
Là, il est.
Pourquoi il vient pas?
Attends.
Ah, il est là.
Non, mais...
Can you not cast a spell on me right now? Thank you.
KFC chicken tender? Well, that was a half-assed attempt.
You're not escaping. I know. If you didn't fight me...
Hey. Hey, Boots.
Oh my God. Little baby man.
Guys, I ordered my daughter a stuffed white cat for her birthday, and you won't believe what I just got in the freaking box. Like, what even is this? Roadkill.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting, yes.
Aku ni bukan apa, tapi
Wake up. I said wake the up. Sleepy time's over, little more.
I will grow under any conditions.
I think I'm allergic to tap water.
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God.
Walt, please just hear me out, please.
And then BAM! She got hit by a big ass truck. What?
Let me go.
Mariconcita.
What are you doing in the toilet? Baby, you're not supposed to be in there. This is a tortoise's house. What are you doing?
Every time I'm in the kitchen, you in the kitchen.
I'm making my jam pie. Now I'll start making the custard. I'm putting in coconut milk.
Is she allowed to eat peas?
Could she eat them?
Ach, du...
You son of a bitch! I'm in!
Jesus Christ. Bro. Hey, what are you doing?
You cannot just go around eating anybody that you want to.
I cannot.
No, you cannot.
I've just realised that I've been paying £10 a month for life insurance for my cats. Not in case they die and I'm really sad and need some money. In case I die, they need money. Like they have tiny kitten bank accounts. What would they do with 150 grand? Now I'm worried that they're hearing this and now they're going to plot to try and kill me. Think of all the dreamies they could buy with that money.